Is this the perfect modern home? Or is it something even better? Because what if I told you this isn't just a house, it's a private resort? Today, we're stepping into a breathtaking example of modern tropical living in the Philippines, where architecture, nature, and luxury blend into one seamless experience. And by the end of this video, you might start questioning what your dream home really looks like. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the clean, minimalist architecture. Modern homes in the Philippines are defined by simplicity, clean lines, open layouts, and a strong connection to natural light. But this home takes it further. It doesn't just look modern, it feels like a getaway. You've got wide glass panels, neutral tones, and a layout that instantly opens up to the outdoors. No barriers, no heavy walls, just space, light, and air flowing freely. This is what designers call indoor-outdoor living. And in tropical climates like the Philippines, it's not just beautiful, it's essential. Step inside and everything changes. Or rather, everything disappears. Because the boundaries between inside and outside almost vanish. The living room flows directly into the pool area, creating a continuous space that feels expansive, calm, and incredibly inviting. This design isn't accidental. Modern tropical homes are specifically built to maximize airflow, natural light, and comfort, using open layouts and breathable materials to adapt to the environment. And here, it works perfectly. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the resort-style pool. This isn't just a feature, it's the heart of the home. Positioned right beside the main living space, it creates that signature vacation vibe you'd normally only find in high-end resorts. In fact, many modern Filipino homes today are inspired by resorts and Airbnb-style living, bringing relaxation and leisure into everyday life. And you can see it here. Whether you're lounging by the water, hosting friends, or just enjoying a quiet morning coffee, every moment feels like a holiday. As we move into the private spaces, the design becomes even more intentional. Bedrooms are positioned to capture views, whether it's the pool, garden, or surrounding landscape. Large windows invite in natural light while maintaining a sense of calm and privacy. This approach is inspired by luxury resort villas across the Philippines, where every room is designed to connect with nature while offering comfort and exclusivity. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about how the space makes you feel. But here's the real question. Is this actually the perfect modern home? Because while it looks incredible, there's more to consider. Resort-style homes are designed for lifestyle. They prioritize relaxation, entertainment, and experience over traditional practicality. And while that sounds amazing, it also comes with trade-offs. Maintenance, for example, especially for features like pools, can be demanding, something many homeowners don't always anticipate. But for those who truly value the experience, it might be worth it. What makes this home special isn't just the design, it's the philosophy behind it. In the Philippines, modern architecture is evolving, blending local materials, climate-conscious design, and global luxury trends into something uniquely its own. It's about creating spaces that don't just look good, but live well. Spaces that feel like an escape, even when you're home. So, is this the perfect modern home? Maybe. Or maybe it's a glimpse into the future of living, where your home isn't just where you stay, it's where you unwind, recharge, and experience life every single day. And honestly, who wouldn't want that?